Good day, everyone. This research is about developing an IoT-based energy meter that can monitor electricity usage in real time in San Isidro, Tomas Opo, Southern Leyte. The purpose of this study is to help people track their electricity consumption more easily. Definition of IoT-based energy meter. Related literature refers to books, articles, studies, and other materials written by other researchers that are related to your research topic. It helps researchers understand what has already been studied, ideas and theories related to the topic, gaps that still need investigation. So, ang IoT-based energy meter usa ka device nga mosukod sa paggamit sa kuryente ug ipadala ang data pinaagi sa internet. This allow users to check their power consumption anytime using a phone or computer. Characteristics of materials cited. The materials used in research should have the following characteristics. 1. Recent or updated. 2. Objective and unbiased. 3. Relevant to the study. 4. Sufficient but not too many. These characteristics helps ensure that the research is reliable and accurate. Sa research, ang mga materials nga gamiton kinahanglan adunay sakto nga characteristics aron mahimong kasaligan ang pagtuon. These include being recent, objective, relevant, and sufficient. Recent materials. Materials must be as recent as possible because society, technology, and science change quickly. New discoveries may update old information. Example, research from 15 years ago may no longer be reliable today. Ang research materials kinahanglan bag-o o updated tungod kay ang teknolohiya o kahibalo nag-usab-usab sa paglabay sa panahon. Older studies may not reflect the current situation. Objective and unbiased materials. Research materials should be objective and unbiased. Definition: objective means based on facts. Unbiased means not influenced by personal options or belief. Materials that are politically or religiously based bias should be avoided. Ang research materials kay kinahanglan objective pasabot naka-base sa tinuod nga datos or ebidensya. They should also be unbiased or not influenced by personal options or belief. Relevant materials. Materials must be related to the research topic. Definition of relevant. Information that directly supports or connects to the research problem. Only studies that are similar or connected to the research problem should be cited. Ang relevant materials mao ang mga sources nga direktang konektado sa research topic. This helps support the research problem and provide useful information. Sufficient materials. Research should be use enough sources but not too many. Purpose: to give clear understanding of the research problem, to support the study with reliable information. Example, undergraduate research usually uses around 10 related studies. Researchers should use enough materials to support their study. However, they should avoid using too many unrelated sources. Ways of citing related literature. There are three ways to cite related literature. 1. By author or writer. 2. By topic. 3. To chronological. These three methods helps organize research sources properly. There are different ways to cite related literature in research. These include citing by author, by topic, and chronologically. Kini makatabang aron ma-organize ug maklaro ang mga sources. What to cite? Research should cite major findings, important ideas, generalization, principles, and conclusion. They should be summarized or paraphrased or synthesizing. Researchers should cite important findings, ideas, and conclusions from previous studies. This can be summarized or paraphrased in the research. Pwede kini i-summarize or paraphrase sa research paper. Justification of the study. Justification explain why the research is important. Purpose to show the study is necessary. To prove the study contributes new knowledge. To confirm or improve previous studies. Justification explain why the research is important and necessary. It shows how the study contributes new knowledge or confirms previous studies. Nagpakita kini kung unsa ang bag-ong knowledge nga mahatag sa study o kung masuporta ba kini sa previous research. Thank you for listening. Have a great day and goodbye.